Windows 11 versus Ubuntu. So, Microsoft Windows 11 is the latest desktop operating system designed primarily for general consumers, gamers, students, and businesses. It focuses on a modern UI, deep integration with Microsoft services, strong software compatibility, and top-tier gaming support. Now, for Ubuntu, on the other hand, it is a popular Linux-based operating system developed by Canonical. It is open source, lightweight, highly customizable, and widely used by developers, programmers, servers, and privacy-focused users. It emphasizes stability, security, and performance efficiency. So first, let's talk about the pros and cons. So we have here Windows 11. It is excellent software compatibility, which is compatible with most apps like Adobe and MS Office. It also has the best gaming support, DirectX 12, native support for gaming users. It also has a user-friendly and familiar interface. It also offers strong driver support for most hardware, and it has a seamless integration with the Microsoft ecosystem. The problem is, though, it is requiring a license activation, which means it is paid, it's not free. It also has a heavier usage of your efficient and storages, like your resources, it has a lot of usage. There are also some frequent force updates, and there are some privacy concerns due to its telemetry. Now, for Ubuntu, on the other hand, it is completely free and open source. It is lightweight and efficient on older hardware. It also is highly secure with fewer malware threats, and it is extremely customizable, excellent for development, programming, and servers. The cons, though, they have limited support for some softwares, and it has a gaming support which is weaker compared to Windows, and it also has a steeper learning curve. So overall, Windows 11 if you want the best gaming experience, and choose Ubuntu if you prioritize performance, customization, and security. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications